Hello student, in this video I will solve exercise 18.3 from 10 part of question number 3. So this is factorize p to the power 4 minus 8p square q square plus 16 q to the power 4 minus 121. So dear children, first I will group it starting 3 term means p to the power 4 minus 8 p square q square plus 16 q to the power 4. Okay, so this become 8 to the power 4 minus 8 p square q square plus 16 q to the power 4 minus 121. Okay, so now here we looking first and third term. This is a perfect square, so this can be written as p square of whole square minus, and this is 4q square of whole square, and middle term can be written as this is product of 2 into p square into 4q square minus, and 121, this is square of 11. Okay, square of 11. Okay, so by using identity a square minus 2ab plus b square equal to a minus b whole square. Okay, so this become p square minus 4q square whole square minus 11 square. And now over here using identity a square minus b square, which is equal to in one bracket a plus b and other bracket a minus b. Okay, so dear children, this become in one bracket p square minus 4q square plus 11, and second bracket p square minus 4q square minus 11. Okay, so this is the required answer of question number 10. Okay, okay dear children, this is the 11, 12 and 13 part of question number 3. Okay, so 11 part, this is 9x square minus 49. So here first and second term. Okay, first and second term, this is perfect square. So written 9x square written as 3x whole square minus, and 49, this is 7 whole square. Now using identity a square minus b square over here, so this above expression means 3x square minus 7 square become in one bracket 3x plus 7 and second bracket 3x minus 7. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, 12th part, this is 25 minus 4 square. So this is the first and second term are perfect square. So this written as 5 whole square minus 2y whole square. Now using identity a square minus b square, so this become in one bracket 5 plus 2y and 5 minus 2y. Okay, and 13 part, this is 4 square minus b square. So again here we are looking first and second term or perfect square. So this is written 2a whole square minus b square, and now applying identity a square minus b square. So this becomes 2a plus b in one bracket and 2a minus b in second bracket. So dear children, this is the solution of question number 11, 12 and 13 part of question number 3. So this is 14, 15 and 16 part of question number 3. X square minus 1 upon 6. Okay dear children, so this is written as in this form: x square minus 1 upon root 6. Okay, 1 upon root 6 whole square. So by using identity a square b square, so this becomes in one bracket x minus 1 upon root 6 and another bracket x plus 1 upon root 6. Okay, so this is the solution. 15 part, this is x square upon 36, y square upon 25. Okay, so this is written as x by 6 of whole square minus y by 5 whole square. Okay, and now using identity a square minus b square, so this expression become in one bracket x by 6 plus y by 5, and in second bracket x by 6 minus y by 5. Okay, so this is the solution of question number 15 part of question number 3. Okay, 16 part, this is 25 a square b square minus 49 x square y square. Similarly, here first and second term looking as a perfect square. So this can be written as this is 5ab whole square minus 7xy whole square. Again using identity a square minus b square, so this becomes in one bracket 5ab plus 7xy and second bracket 5ab minus 7xy. So dear children, this is the solution. Okay dear children, this is the 17 and 18 part, question number 3. Okay, so this is x plus y whole square minus a plus b whole square. So using identity a square minus b square equal to in one bracket a plus b and second bracket a minus b. Okay, so this become x plus y plus a plus b in one bracket, and second bracket this is x plus y minus a. Okay, and after multiplication a plus become a minus b. So this is the factors of x plus y whole square minus a plus b whole square. Okay, now move to the 18 part. This is x plus y square minus x minus y whole square. This is written in one bracket x plus y plus x minus y, and in second bracket written this is x plus y minus x minus x plus y, and after multiplication all the item of x minus y, so this will be x minus plus y. Now here we can cancel plus x minus x, this is 2x and y plus y added to get me 2y, and now multiply 2x by 2y. Okay, so get me this is 4xy. So dear children, this is the factors of x plus y whole square minus x minus y whole square. Okay dear children, this is 19 and 20 part of question number 3. Okay, so this is 2p minus 3q whole square minus 3p plus 2q whole square. So now using identity a square b square, so this become in one bracket 2p minus 3q plus 3p plus 2q, and in other bracket this is 2p minus 3q and minus 3p plus 2q. So here 3q plus minus 3q plus 3q cancel out. Now added 2p plus 2p, so this will be 4. Okay, this is 2p plus 2q, so this become 2p plus 2q. Okay, here this is minus 3q plus 3p. Okay, not cancel to each other. 2p plus 3p become 5p, 3q minus 2q. Okay, 3q minus 2q. So 3q plus 2q, which is equal to minus q, plus this is 2p minus 3q minus 3q plus minus 2q. So this is the same 5p minus q. This is 2 minus 3, 2 minus 3q, 2p minus 3p. So this is minus p minus p and minus 5q. Okay, so this is 5p minus q and minus p 5q. Okay, we are taking negative sign, and here in first bracket taking negative sign and second bracket also taking negative sign. So this become negative into negative plus, and this become q minus 5p. Okay, after taking common, and this is p plus 5q. So this is the required answer. Now move to the 10 part. This is a square b to the power 4 c to the power 6 minus 1. So dear children, this is written in this form: a b square c to the power 3 square minus 1. Okay, a square b to the power 2 minus 2 become 4 again, and c to the power 3 power 2 again become 6. Okay, so a square b to the power 4 6 to the power 6 minus 1 square written in this form. Okay, so this is the in one bracket b square c to the power 3 minus 1, and second bracket a b square c to the power 3 plus Okay children, so this is the required solution of 19 and 20 part of question number 3.